Hi everyone. In this video, we'll understand what is performance appraisal, its types, methods, objectives, and benefits. So let's begin. Performance appraisal is a systematic and periodic process of measuring an individual's work performance against the established requirements of the job. It's a subjective evaluation of the employee's strengths and weaknesses. If you conduct a successful performance appraisal, you can get a handle on what the employee does best and identify the areas that require improvement. Appraisals also come in handy for deciding how to fill new positions in the company structure with existing employees. Now, let's see the types of performance appraisals. First is 360-degree appraisal. Here, the manager gathers information on the employee's performance, typically by questionnaire from supervisors, co-workers, group members, and self-assessment. Second is negotiated appraisal. This type of appraisal uses a mediator to help evaluate the employee's performance with a greater emphasis on the better parts of the employee's performance. Third is peer assessment. Here, the team members, work group, and co-workers are responsible for rating the employee's performance. And fourth is self-assessment. The employees rate themselves in categories such as work behavior, attitude, and job performance. Now, the human resource departments typically create performance appraisals as a tool for employees to advance in their careers. They give people feedback on how well they are doing their jobs and ensuring that they are managing and achieving the goals set for them and assisting them if they fall short. Performance reviews also assist employees and their managers in identifying areas for improvement and career advancement, as well as in developing a strategy for the employee's development through extra training and more responsibility. Now let's see the methods of performance appraisal. It comes in many forms. Managers and human resources staff responsible for these appraisals need to choose the best methods based on the size of the organization and what sorts of responsibilities the employees fulfill. First is 720-degree feedback. You could say that this method doubles what you would get from the 360-degree feedback. The 720-degree feedback method collects information not only from within the organization but also from outside, from customers, investors, suppliers, and other financial related groups. Second is the assessment center method. This method consists of exercises conducted at the company's designated assessment center, including computer simulations, discussions, role playing, and other methods. Employees are evaluated based on communication skills, confidence, emotional intelligence, mental alertness, and administrative abilities. The rater observes the proceedings and then evaluates the employee's performance at the end. Next is behaviorally anchored rating scale or bars. This appraisal method measures the employee's performance by comparing it with specific established behavior examples. Each example has a rating to help collect the data. Fourth is the checklist method. This is a very simple method. It consists of a checklist with a series of questions that have yes or no answers for different traits. Next is the customer client reviews. This method fits best for employees who offer goods and services to customers. The managers ask clients and customers for feedback, especially how they perceive the employee and by extension the business. Then there is field review method. An HR department or corporate office representative conducts the employee's performance evaluation. Next is the human resource accounting method. It is also known as accounting method or cost accounting method. It looks at the monetary value that the employee brings to the company. It also includes the company's cost to retain the employee. Next is management by objective. This process involves the employee and manager working as a team to identify goals for the former to work on. Once the goals are established, both parties discuss the progress the employee is making to meet those goals. This process concludes with the manager evaluating whether the employee achieved the goal. Then there's also project evaluation review. This method involves appraising team members at the end of every project, not just at the end of business year. And then rating scales. These ratings measure dependability, initiative, attitude, etc., ranging from excellent to poor or similar scale. These results are used to calculate the employee's overall performance. Now, the performance appraisals serve a dual purpose, both for the organization and employees. For the organization, employee assessments provide insight into an employee's contribution, enabling management to improve working conditions, address behavioral issues, recognize employee talents, support skill and career development, and improve strategic decision making. For the employees, performance reviews are in a way to recognize and thank them for their achievements, finding opportunities for promotions or bonuses, helping them get trained or education to advance their careers, find areas where they can improve, encourage and involve them in career development, and start conversations about long-term goals. So let's see the major objectives of performance appraisal. It provides helpful information to help make decisions regarding transfers, promotions, and terminations. Also supplying the necessary data to identify employee training and development programs requirement. Helping make confirmation acceptance decisions regarding employees who have completed a probationary period. Help make decisions regarding raising an employee's salary, offering incentives or changing variable pay, clarifying expectations and facilitate communication between managers and subordinate, helping employees realize their whole potential. Now, let's see the benefits of performance appraisals. First is they help supervisors plan promotions for the solid performing employees and dismiss the inefficient workers. They help the organization decide how to compensate the employees best. Also, companies can use performance appraisal records to help determine extra benefits and allowances. They can call attention to employee weaknesses and help set up training programs in-house. The performance appraisals can make changes in the selection process, which inevitably help hire better employees. Performance reviews effectively communicate the employee's performance status and provide a great way to give feedback on how the employee is doing at their job. Then performance evaluations, they are a great motivational tool, providing a snapshot of the employee's efficiency. I hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you for watching.